and 5 stretching wide awake. Welcome back.
That was so weird.
But weird in a good way.
That was the best thing ever. Thank you so
Happy days,
much.
happy days.
Oh my god.
Well, she enjoyed it. Will you? This week, no tutorial, just full of street hypnosis. We've got about 13 minutes of just fun street hypnosis, from the induction right the way through several brilliant skits, right the way to the immersion from hypnosis. So stay tuned inside. Hi there, my name's Taran Mirza. I'm a hypnotist and clinical hypnotherapist, and usually I do a small section of a street hypnosis clip and then discuss that. You might have seen some of my other videos on the YouTube channel already. Today, slightly different. I'm not going to do a tutorial, it's just pure street hypnosis. There's about 13 minutes of this young lady here, that's the girl in red. We're going to see her being hypnotized, we're going to see her having the experience of lots of fun hypnosis skits, and then we're going to bring her out of hypnosis right to the end. So stay tuned for the whole video. There's no interruptions and no tutorial this week. What I will say is the first minute and a half is just audio, because I want you to hear that I haven't met this person before. I haven't hypnotized them before, give them any instructions or guidances into how to react. So that first minute and a half is useful from a point of view of understanding this is just pure street hypnosis, meeting a stranger and hypnotizing them. And what I like about this video, as you can see, I'm going to put the description in the description section. I'm going to put links to the tutorials about this video. You can check them out. I might even put them up in the info cards as well. But you can see that there were great opportunities to learn about hypnosis from this particular girl. So she's one of my favorites, because the way she responded, the way she acted, gives great opportunities to learn. So do check out those tutorials after you've watched the complete unabridged video that's coming up right now. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, make sure you give it a like, and don't forget, click the subscribe button and that bell notification button next to the subscribe button, so you get notified when there's a new video coming out from myself. And please leave a comment in the comment section below. I want to hear, what did you think of this video? Start to finish, was it enjoyable? Did you like the fact that there was a complete set? Or would you like me to give more details? Obviously with this video there will be more details, but leave a comment in the comment section below. Equally, if you have any particular questions about hypnosis, maybe in something that's not related to this video, but hypnosis in general, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below. From time to time I will make a video just for people that leave a comment, and I'll give them a little name drop, so you could be the source of one of my next videos. So please do leave a comment in the comment section below. In this video you'll see another girl, this girl here, the girl in purple, and I tried to hypnotize her at the same time and it didn't work. Disaster. Does that mean she couldn't be hypnotized? Spoiler alert, stay tuned. She could be hypnotized. I'm going to put her video in the end screen, so keep watching right to the end and click on through to the end screen video so you can check out her being hypnotized as well. In the meantime, let's watch the video. Hi guys, doing street hypnosis today. Would you like to be hypnotized?
I'm alright. I'm all good.
All good?
You can do it too.
Yeah, anybody? Anybody? No? What about you guys? Lovely costumes, lovely outfits. Would you like to be hypnotised?
What?
Would you like to do some hypnosis?
Shut up. Really?
Shut up. Really? Yes.
For real?
Would you like to go?
No, hypnosis to do what?
You could just experience hypnosis and feel how wonderful it feels to be hypnotised.
That feels like you're giving me drugs, but wait, are you going to make me do something weird?
I'm not going to make you do anything weird.
What are you going to make me do?
I don't know. I might make you stick your feet to the floor or do some fun stuff, but nothing weird.
This is
I'm scared. I'm so scared. Wait, you do.
And what are you scared of?
In case you make me like do something weird. I don't know.
What would be too weird that you wouldn't want me to do?
I don't know. Like
Rebecca from school, right?
I don't know. But what? Give me
Say,
examples.
so there's nothing.
Really?
There's nothing.
You do it.
If there's nothing you can think of that's so
Wait, no,
weird,
because
you wouldn't
you're
want to do it.
skeptical, so
Last
you do
year you
it.
left.
I'm skeptical. Yeah, you do it. She'll do it.
Hi, I'm here with
Tell you what. Okay. Tell you what we're going to do. Do you mind if I video
Yeah, go for
your
it.
stuff? Still check. Oh, you're still rolling your stuff. Right. What I probably will ask you to just sit down your pot for a wee minute.
Okay.
So this is.
The bags doesn't blow away.
That's it.
Okay.
So this is not hypnosis, okay? But to be hypnotized, all you have to do is follow my instructions, be open to following my instructions.
Okay.
So this is to test how good you are at following instructions.
Okay.
So first of all, put your hands out like this here. Okay? Hands straight. Okay, you comfortable to do that? Yep.
Yep.
Do this. Now, you have your right hand up, and I got my left hand up, so you can't follow instructions.
Oh my God!
You say you have to follow my instructions,
Okay.
or what will happen? Okay. So do this. Do this. Thumbs down. Move your hands over. Interlock your fingers. And I want you to wriggle your left thumb. Make sure you wriggle your left thumb. And make sure your left thumb's on the bottom. Perfect. Left thumb's on the bottom. Now I want you to put your fingers out. Tap your fingers together. Do this.
Hold on.
You see, if you can't follow instructions, it's not going to work anyway.
What the heck? That's so weird. How did you do that?
Right, let's try this. Put your feet together.
Okay.
Put your hands out like this here. About this much apart, about a foot apart, okay? Fingers tight together.
Yeah.
And stare at a point between those two hands.
Okay.
Now, close your eyes down. Close your eyes down and just imagine that point still there, but just imagine at the same time that it's very powerful magnets in the palms of your hands. Very powerful magnets in the palms of your hands. Notice what happens as I click my fingers, those magnets get stronger and stronger and stronger and stronger. And in a moment those hands are going to touch and they're going to stick together. They're going to stick together. They're going to lock together. They're going to be so stuck, so locked. In a moment, but not yet, I'm going to ask you. In a moment, I'm going to ask you to try and pull those hands apart, but those hands are going to feel so stuck, so locked together, you will not be able to move your hands apart. You're going to be able to see so stuck, you're going to try and move your hands apart, and you're going to be, and you can open your hands, but you can keep your eyes closed as your hands get stuck tighter and tighter and tighter together. Go ahead now and try and pull those hands apart. That's it, because you're already in hypnosis. And when I say sleep, your head's going to drop down to your chest, your hands are going to drop down by your side and relax, and you're going to go into a wonderful state of hypnosis. Your legs and back will support you. Your legs and back will support you. Sleep now. Deeper, deeper, deeper relax. The deeper you go, the more relaxed you feel, the more relaxed you feel, the deeper you go, drifting and sinking down. When I drop that hand down by your side, go 10 times deeper, 10 times more relaxed, way down. The deeper you go, the more relaxed you feel, the more relaxed you feel, the deeper you go, drifting and sinking down. Letting the wind blow around you, letting the sounds of people talking in the background help you absorb you into this wonderful feeling of relaxation and hypnosis now, as your legs and back can support you all the way down, deeper and deeper and deeper relaxed. And in a moment I'm going to count from 10 down to 1. With every count I count, go even deeper still. Going 10, deeper now, 9, even deeper still, 8, 10 times deeper, 7. By the time I get to the number 1, your unconscious will just follow wonderfully. Not doing anything silly, not doing anything weird, but enjoying the experience of doing whatever I ask you to do. So 3, even deeper still, 2, so deep, so relaxed, and 1, way down, way deeper, way down. In a minute I'm going to count from 1 to 3, and the count of 3 you can open your eyes and you'll be back with us, but every time I say the word sleep or deeper sleep, you'll open your eyes, you'll be back in the room, your eyes will close down, you go back into this wonderful state of hypnosis and go 10 times deeper. Nod your head that you understand. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. Wasn't that cool? Look at my hand, and sleep, way down, deeper, deeper, sleep, sleep, way down, sleep, way down, even deeper, even more relaxed. In a minute I'm going to count from 1 to 3, and the count of 3 you can open your eyes and be back with us. But on the count of 3 you're going to feel so comfortable, so relaxed in this position. It's like your feet are part of the floor. It's like your feet are rooted to the floor. It's like you're a tree. It's like you're glued stuck, you're locked and stuck. It's like your legs just cannot move. The more you try and move those feet, the more those feet will just lock and stick. 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. Isn't that cool?
That is really good.
Isn't it? Go ahead and try and move your feet.
I literally can.
Really try.
I really
try.
Oh my God.
What's that like?
It's really good.
And you're not being silly.
I'm not being
And you're not being weird.
Oh my
You just
God.
can't move your feet. Isn't that cool?
That is so good.
Isn't that cool? It is. And sleep.
Oh.
Way down. Deeper, deeper, deeper relaxed. The deeper you go, the more relaxed you feel. The more relaxed you feel, the deeper you go, drifting and sinking down. In a moment I'm going to count from 1 to 3, and then the count of 3 your feet will no longer be stuck. But just as quickly as your feet become unstuck, your name sticks at the back of your mind. Your name sticks at the back of your mind. It's like on the tip of your tongue, but you cannot say it. The more you try and say your name, the more your name just sticks at the back of your mind. You know what it's like when you forget something, like you're watching a TV program, you say, I know that girl's name, but I cannot say it. That name is just stuck on the tip of your tongue, in the back of your mind, you cannot say it. Nod your head, you understand. 1, 2, 3, wide awake. Wow, move your feet. Isn't that cool? And what's your name when you try and say it? How do you try?
I'm really trying.
Really try.
I'm really trying. I can't say my name.
You know the funny thing is, you can say your surname.
Yeah.
Your surname
It's
is?
Colin.
And your first name?
I can't say it. I can't say it.
But what's interesting is you can say your name when you sing it in rhyme.
Okay.
Sing the birthday song.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. I'll do happy birthday to you. Oh my god.
And it's gone.
Oh my god.
What's your name?
I can't. I still can't say my name.
You can't.
I can.
But you know what? When I click my fingers, your name is Bob.
Okay.
What's your name? Bob. How do you do, Bob? How do you spell that?
B.O.B.
B-O-B. And who named you Bob? Your mum or your dad?
My mum.
Your mum?
Yeah.
Okay. And what will people say to you when you say your name's Bob?
Hi, Bob.
Hi, you Bob. Why not?
Hi, Bob.
And notice what happens when I click my fingers, your name changes to a different name. It's E-I-E-I-O.
E-I-O.
What's your name?
E-I-O.
How do you do? And how do you spell that?
E-I-E-I. Okay.
And is E-I your first name and I-O
Yeah,
your surname?
It's not my full name.
It's just what, like Cher or
yeah,
like
like Cher,
Sting?
yeah. Oh, yeah.
Very good. Happy
That's
days. So you enjoying having that name? E-I-E-O? Yeah.
Yeah.
And every time I get it wrong, you get a little bit irritated, don't you? So it's G.I. Joe?
No.
No?
No.
No? Billy Bobo?
No.
No?
It's E-I-E-I.
E-I-E-O?
Yeah.
And it gets funnier, doesn't it? It gets funnier and funnier. And you start to laugh. It gets funnier and funnier. And you start to laugh like a donkey.
No, I don't. Don't make me say
Getting
that.
funnier and funnier.
Don't make me say that.
Getting funnier and funnier.
It's so funny. It's so funny.
Look at that hand and sleep now. Way down. Deeper, deeper, deeper relax. The deeper you go, the more relaxed you feel on that shit. And you can continue to enjoy yourself. But it'll no longer be funny. Your name comes back to you totally. Your name comes back to you totally. But in a moment when you wake up, you're going to look down and there's a lovely Pikachu character. There's a lovely Pikachu character on the floor, and you're just going to want to go over there and stroke it, and you're going to want to pick it up, and you're going to want to have lots of fun and enjoy it, and you really love it and feel what it feels like just to pick up a little Pokemon Pikachu character you never really felt possible you would see before. 1, 2, 3, wide awake. Wow, what's that?
I believe in you. Stop.
Eh?
What the heck?
Give it, pick it up.
No, because I know you're lying to me.
Wow, look at it. What is it?
You're too big.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you ever see one real like that before? Give it a wee stroke.
What bites me?
Wow, isn't it lovely?
It's so cute.
Isn't it? Pick it up.
No.
Why not? You think you hurt it?
Yeah.
Well, then just give it a wee stroke. There you go.
Oh.
Isn't it lovely?
It's so lovely.
Wow.
Wow.
What colour is that? It's hard to describe exactly that colour.
Really pretty.
And it really is pretty, isn't it?
Yeah.
Isn't it cool?
Oh, what's his name?
I don't know. Ask it.
What's your name?
And notice. Oh, look, it's speaking. What?
Oh, I can't hear it. What?
You can hear it now. You can hear it now.
Is it Pikachu?
Yes.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
Isn't that cool?
Wow, that is so
Isn't
good.
that cool?
That's the coolest thing ever.
Sleep. Way down. Deeper, deeper, deeper relax. The deeper you go, the more relaxed you feel. The more relaxed you feel, the deeper you go. In a minute, I'm going to count from 1 to 3. On the count of 3, you'll no longer see a Pikachu on the floor. But every time you talk, it's like you have to sing the sentence. You have to sing the words. You cannot speak properly. You can only speak in song. Nod your head that you understand. 1, 2, 3, wide awake. So what time did you get up to QCon today?
Like, 10?
And
10 o'clock. I got here at 10 o'clock.
and how much fun are you having at
It's so
QCon?
much fun. I'm having so much fun. It's the most fun day of my whole life.
And are you enjoying
I'm
hypnosis?
loving it. Yes, it's the most fun ever. Everyone
stuff.
should be hypnotized.
They should be, shouldn't
They
they?
should. Hypnosis is so fun.
Sleep. Way down. Deeper, deeper, deeper relax. In a moment I'm going to count from 1 to 3. On the count of 3, when you open your eyes, you can stand all by yourself. When you open your eyes, you're going to see a beautiful little monkey. You're going to see a beautiful little monkey. But you're going to want to do everything the monkey does. You're just going to want to follow everything that the monkey does. Nod your head that you understand. 1, 2, 3, wide awake. Hey, isn't this cute?
Yeah.
Not as cute as that Pikachu you saw earlier, but look what's happening. Isn't that weird?
you know what's really cool about this? Sleep. Way down, deeper, deeper, deeper relaxed. In a moment I'm going to count from 1 to 5, and on the count of 5 you'll no longer want to follow what the monkeys does. You'll no longer see Pikachus on the ground. But when you awake you're going to feel really confident, really full of life, full of energy, like I've had a 12-hour sleep, like I had a 6-hour massage.
Thank you.
So 1, feeling that feeling of hypnosis disappear from the tips of your toes. 2, washing up through your legs, through your stomach, through your pelvis. 3, take a deep breath in. Feel that energy washing all the way through you. 4, into your head like a fresh mountain breeze. And 5, stretching right awake. Welcome back.
That was so weird.
But weird in a good way.
That was the best thing ever. Thank you so
Happy days,
much.
happy
Oh
days.
my god. Thank you so much.
And you were worried about it.
I love that. Honestly,
Wonderful.
that is talent. Oh my god. Did you guys record all that?
We did.
No
You'll be up
way.
on YouTube.
It's gonna be on YouTube. Oh my god. Wait, what's your YouTube channel called?
It's Feel Good Hypnosis. You get to keep one of those.
Thank you so
Because you were
much.
hypnotized with Feel
I
Good
can't wait to
Hypnosis.
watch it. Oh my
Perfect.
god. I feel so good. I feel like this is literally, oh my god, thank you so much.
Happy days. Happy
That
days.
is the best
You were a
thing.
brilliant star.
Thank you so much.
All right.
Oh my god.
Hi, I hope you liked this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure you give it a like if you haven't already, and click the big subscribe button and that bell notification button. And did you leave a comment? Don't forget, leave a comment. Up next is this video here. I promised I'd put this video with the girl in purple. Coming up next, showing how she was able to go into hypnosis, just not at the same time as the girl in red. So check out this video next, and see you soon.